Yeah. Welcome back, my people. So, Pete, yesterday I took the wife out and my son out to eat. We went to the Cow Farmer Calfe. Here we at, though. Here we at. The Farmer's Calfe, bro. It's open every day, bro. Peep them out. Up in Berlin, Farmington Avenue, Berlin, Connecticut. Doing my thing, I'm recording, whatever. Food comes out, we eat and we doing our thing. Look at it. Look at it. Look at him. That boy got problems. You got problems, kid. So that's the wife. Little
spicy thing.
Look at that. You want to show it to them?
Yeah. Hold on. Yeah.
Boom.
Are you bucky?
A little spicy.
Got the mac and cheese. Oh, you gonna take a bite? Yeah, you don't like that crunchy lettuce. You want the meat. There you go. There you go, kid. What you think? My guy. And this is what I got, my people. Look at that. You want some potatoes? Check out the potatoes, yeah. That's my Arnold Palmer. Bro, it's fresh eggs. That's fresh eggs. I thought I had recorded. I come home, edit the video. There's like 10, 12, maybe 15 minutes of the video missing. I don't know what the hell happened. Kind of find out my camera either stopped recording almost towards the end, halfway through it. I'm like, yo. That cheese could be a little bit melted. The bacon looks okay. Got a little hash brown in there with the little fried egg. Now, then this is ciabatta bread. It has to be ciabatta bread, right? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section. Ready? Cheers.
For the food, Okay, well, I'm gonna take a bite for the food.
Hey.
Okay, well, take this bite first and then we go over there.
Very tasty.
Right? Alright, let me check on my bite.
So Pete, let me talk to y'all. Right? Listen, I like it. I like the potato with it. Sandwich, mid. The service, amazing. I don't know what else to do. So I'm on my way. Today is Sunday. I'm on my way to Best Buy up in Avon to go get me a battery. I don't know what else. It been, you know how many videos I did, and I come home and maybe 10, 15, 20 minutes of the video is like completely missing. It's a corrupted file, something, bro. I'm hoping my microphone is working fine. Oh, and by the way, I got me a I got me a breakfast sandwich on ciabatta bread. I gave it like a 6.2. It was straight. It wasn't, the cheese wasn't melted. The place was dope. The cashier in there, lovely lady. Plus I got me some home fries. Well, yeah, some home fries, not home fries. Some potato wedges. Yup, got me some potato wedges. Them shits was $7.4. Nice, and it had like a nice kick to it, nice spicy. It was good. Never heard of the place. They had a drive-through, all of that good shit. But y'all see it in the video, man. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, all that good shit. I hope this microphone is working. Jump cut. Yo, welcome back, my people. So, I decided to go ahead with Big Y. Don't worry about my goddamn window and shit like that, right? Decided to come hit Big Y. You know what I mean? I'm hungry, but I don't want nothing like heavy. Just get a little, you know what I mean, ham and cheese and shit. The wife texted me. I let her know where I was going. So she's like, grab me, I got you. She wants alright, here we go. Turkey, white cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, pickle, salt, pepper, vinegar, mayonnaise on it, everything bread. And I'm just going to get my usual ham, cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of mayo, you know what I mean? Too much mayo ruins everything. But, so, went out, I got the damn, boom. So it is, bruh. So regularly the GoPro comes with its own, like, it's a blue battery, but those are like real, like they only last you, like, no lie, like maybe half hour, especially if you have like everything else put on there, like the media mod, you know, microphones and everything else. But these right here, this shit gives you a little bit of time, you know what I mean? I got an hour to record and anything else, so we'll see, bro. That's that. Big Y, Rocky Hill, Connecticut. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, jump cut. Oh man, welcome back, my people. So we made it to Big Y, dog. Hold on, let me try this out real quick. Alright, let's get this. Big Y in the motherfucker, huh? I haven't been to Big Y in about, I don't even know, a year? A little bit over a year. So, what's this one? Nah, that's the wife. She got the little small turkey and shit, you know what I'm saying? I already told her what she wanted. I got the same thing on mine. This shit dripping all out there, place. Same thing as hers, except I don't got no pickles. I don't do pickles, and the wife don't do onions. So she ain't getting no onions. I ain't getting no pickles. Shit, just a little bit, slightly, a little bit of mayo, not a whole lot. You know what I mean? No, let me see something. No. You could do that right there. Alright, let's get it, bro. Hold on, making sure, bro. Let me get sure. Some of the fact, let me get that shit. I don't know for what it did. Got the little light and shit. You already know, got the salt, the pepper, the vinegar, all of that, dog. Look at this motherfucker. Just look at it from the side. Look at that. Shit is dripping everywhere, and it smells hella good. Hella good. Damn, like I was saying, man. Went up there to the little spot yesterday, man. I'm like, yo. Oh, single, no napkins though. Fine. Aboo. You got a 4-year, you gotta keep napkins in the car though. Come on. The dude was wrapping it up in there. I got mine on French bread. So a bit why you know how I make your hammies, bro. Yo, I mean, I think they put like maybe looks like 4 pieces of ham in that motherfucker. Shit keeps falling out. I'll clean this shit up afterwards, dog. You know what I mean? I think if I would have asked her to warm it up, it would have. I don't know. But no, it had meatballs right there, then chicken cutlet. You want to get a crunchy asshole. No, before you start saying something, I'm gonna put the chips in there. This dude left his wife and kid in the car. I'll see you later. You too much right now. Well, he's going big while too. That's the crazy part. Wife was straight as hell. Yo. Man, this shit. You gotta pack it yourself, sir. There you go. I also have a piece of chip in there. I didn't expect the chip to be in there. I get the sandwich for $7.5. You know what I mean? You could taste the ham, good quality ham. I think it's boar head, I'm not sure. The bread is good. You know what I mean? It's not like overly chewy. The onions, I love onions. The cheese, I got American cheese. Lettuce, tomatoes, and the vinegar, oil, salt, and pepper. Yeah, 7.5, bro. 7.5. That's the review. Hopefully, man, I get home, I get to see my face again, dog. Cause, yo, I was tight, bro. I was mad as hell, yo. Like, I'm like, yo, they didn't even give it a score. But it was straight. You know what I mean? It was better than China Walk at the mall. That shit. Bro, when I tell you, like, I'm thinking about it now. I remember, like, the chicken being slimy. Like, oh, because it's the orange chicken and shit. I get it. But, I don't know, like a sauce is supposed to be, like, rich, nice and thick. That shit was just... I don't know, man. I don't know. Either way. What kind of big... sorry. I don't mean to eat with my mouth full. If I decide to come to Big Y again, what should I get them? I'm thinking about the meatball grinder, maybe the chicken cutlet or something. That's all I've seen. I should have been recording, but I don't know. Some people be, you know what I mean, they be kind of funny with it when they see a motherfucker with a camera. Like, I ain't never went through that experience. Somebody saying, oh, you can't record here, except from when I went to the casino. Some lady was like, oh, I don't know why you recording. You shouldn't be recording here. You can't record here. I'm like, whatever, yo. And then at the mall and shit, yo. But most of the time, you know what I mean, they ask questions. Like the lady from the spot on Saturday, she was like, I guess she was asking the wife, like, yo, what's his channel and shit like that. And I think I gained another subscriber. So thank you so much, yo, man. But yeah, on that note, I gotta go get my goddamn clothes. Thank you for watching, man. Listen, I'm almost up there, man. I'm like at 320, 321 subscribers. I'm just trying to make it out here, man. I've been spending money on this damn GoPro after I said I wasn't gonna do it no more. I was looking to see if I could find another camera, because this camera had pissed me off that bad. But hey, man, I can't stop now. You feel what I'm saying? So it's like, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and then comment in the comment section, man. What else can I go do? Where else should I go eat at? You know what I mean? I'll travel. I don't give a fuck. You know what I mean? Love y'all. Jump cut. Until next time, stay tuned and carry on, everybody.